Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch, a stock market researcher and investor. I'm also a cryptocurrency researcher and investor. I talk to people about cryptocurrency, telling them to save, invest, and grow wealth. The aim is very simple, to help all of us reach 1 million shillings, or rather 1 million Kenya shillings in stock market and in cryptocurrency. And how do you do this? By saving money over a period of time, by investing money aggressively. Aggressively means you don't keep your money in the bank. Aggressively means you don't keep your money in the circle. Aggressively means you don't keep your money in the money market. Aggressively means you don't keep your money in treasury bills and bonds. That's what aggressively means. And today's topic is this: how to make 1 million shillings in crypto. Making a million shillings in crypto is not very difficult. It's achievable. Many have done it. I'm also working towards it. And I am also working with a group of people towards achieving that 1 million shillings. 1 million Kenya shillings in crypto. And we are working to ensure that we achieve 1 million Kenya shillings in crypto in a period of 1 year. Well, some people may not achieve it in 1 year, but they will achieve it in 24 months. So then what we do with about 100,000 shillings, what we do is we are aiming at making money every day. So every day at 2 a.m. we are awake. I repeat, every day at 2 a.m. we are awake. We buy coins, we sell coins, we buy coins, sell coins, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So we buy coins and sell coins every day. Our aim is that every day we make 2,000 shillings or 2%. Now, if you make 2% or 2,000 shillings and repeat that every day, in a year, you will have made about 730,000 shillings. Now, 730,000 shillings. Now, what you need to remember is that some days are better than other days. And this money is not compounded. So if you are compounding this money and making 2% of your capital every day for 12 months, 2% of your money every day, 2,000 shillings every day. Remember, after a month or so, the money you started with, 100,000, will not be 100,000. It will be more, maybe 200,000. So 2% of 200,000 is even more. After another month, 2%, the money will be like 300,000. 2% of 300,000 is even more. If you keep doing this, after 1 year, 2% of your money will be maybe 2% of maybe 500,000 or 600,000. 2% of 600,000 is a lot more. It's not 2,000. So if you keep doing this every day, buying, selling coins, buying, selling coins, then after some times, the money grows to 1 million. Well, that's what I'm doing as an individual. And that's what I want you to do as an individual. Where are we doing this? We are doing this in my VIP group. I have a VIP group. It's a Telegram group where we learn about the stock market and we learn about cryptocurrency. The goal is simple: to help us all grow our money to 1 million Kenya shillings. That's the short-term goal. The long-term goal is to grow the money to 10 million shillings, Kenya shillings, in the next 5 years or so. The long-term goal is to grow this 10 million shillings to 100 million shillings. How long will that take? 10 years? 15 years? 20 years? Remember, this thing is a marathon. It's a long time. It's a lifetime thing. Making money, growing money, saving money, growing money, compounding money is something that never stops. You are always earning. You're always saving, you're always investing, you're always buying new coins, you're always selling coins after making money, you're always growing your money. And you keep doing this over and over and over and over again. The goal is very simple. Ensure there is no poor person in Kenya. Ensure there is no poor person in Kenya. Our goal is very simple. Teach financial literacy. ensure that all Kenyans can save, can invest, can grow money. The goal is to ensure that everybody becomes a millionaire. And all of us can. Unfortunately, some people are not interested. They don't want to save, they get money, they want to eat all of it. It doesn't work like that. You cannot, it is a mistake, a big mistake to get money and eat all of it. Please, even if you are saving 1%, save. If you are saving 2%, save. But it's recommended that you start saving 20%, 30%, 40%. In fact, you should save 100% of your income. How? Start some other side hustle. Start some other income generating activities. I, for one, my side hustle is this. I have published 2 books, and these 2 books is they are very good, by the way. If you are in the stock market and don't have this book, you are missing out. You need this book. If you are in cryptocurrency and you don't have this book, you need this book. It gives you the fundamentals. It gives you the basis. You have the base of how the market operates, and it helps you make money. So grab this book. The cost is 1,500. I will deliver to your doorstep. Even if you live outside Kenya, I will send it via the post office. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are not in our Telegram group, join our Telegram group. If you are not in the VIP classes, join the VIP classes and learn. VIP classes is this book, but now in practical session. I use the principle in that book, but now it's practical session. We buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell coins on a daily basis. The aim is to ensure that we are all millionaires. How do you become a millionaire? Very simple. Make 2,000 shillings or 3,000 shillings every day. Better still, 3,000 shillings every day times 365 days. You'll be a millionaire automatically. SDG number 1 says to eradicate poverty. I'm here doing exactly that. Eradicate poverty in Africa. All of us should be rich, should live comfortable life. There's no reason for us to live a hard life, a life of struggle, a life of lack. Bye. See you in the next video. If you have not subscribed, click the red button and subscribe. If you're not in our VIP group, join the classes today. If you're not in our Telegram group, join the Telegram group. The VIP classes is charged, it's 1,300 shillings per month. Once you send that money to my M-Pesa, to my telephone number, I'll add you to the group. Bye. See you in the next video.